Looks like it's MacBook week. Repairing, this is the 4th MacBook this week. We still have the water damaged brand new M2, which is a real shame. Real shame. Beautiful laptop, barely any damage, or no damage, mint condition. Somebody spilt Pepsi on it. Dog spilt Pepsi. And then this guy, this is an older 2010 MacBook. Had to replace the screen on it. We're putting a new battery in it. We're putting an SSD in it, and then we're doubling the RAM. So somebody is resurrecting this guy. It was in rough shape about half an hour ago, but it will be a respectable machine when we're done. So yeah, MacBook week.